On this day so rainy and oh so new, there's so much to see that sees us through. New leaves and new sprouts without any sort of shouts, just the pitter and the patter of droplets of rain, of water so pure, so the beauty shall remain. Bringing life to renew, to quench the thirst, a life in constant rebirth. Rejoicing in the rain, there's no feeling of pain, just love in my heart for what's to come, for what is growing wild and free, effortlessly. Delighting in my joy instead of any of my sweet misery of what could be. In rain there is love falling from above to below, nice and slow. A yearning that can grow in its own flow, for seasons in full bloom, for tomatoes and mushrooms, for flowers and trees, for birds and bees. Sweet honey is on the horizon, as well as smiles in the sun, and a season full of immeasurable fun. Making my way around my own yard today brings me such a sense of peace, of joy, of happiness. Worthy of the beautiful reminisce. And for this I feel blessed and grateful too, igniting the spark of what is true. For so long I have lived, and so long I will love. Nature reminds me to always see above the ground what can be found when we just simply look around at what is already here, what is already near and dear, and what we always have to look forward to. Just watching the rain and nature too, no need to complain or worry about the new or the old, or even the days growing cold. I can feel the warmth inside my soul as I feel the warmth of the earth as I stroll. Along new grassy patches and peppermint, strawberries, rosemary, lavender, all still so strongly growing, all without anyone knowing. I'm happy to say that rain always finds a way to soothe our spirits, our hearts, our souls, minds, and bodies, getting us ready for what's to come, all without needing to run or retreat, just simply strolling along, watching, observing, dreaming of the sweet. The sweetness of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and sun. The bamboo too, it's all so beautiful. And I feel so lucky today to say hello to it all, including you. May you all thrive no matter the weather, and may you all know how much I love you. I love it all. Always and forever and infinitely too. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being a part of the love that is so infinitely, eternally true. In infinite love always. Peace.